Hello guys, Andrew here with yet another video, and in today's video we're going to be covering whether or not affiliate marketing is actually dead. With that said guys, for those of you who are new to my channel, this channel will do regular updates and videos on how to start and build a profitable affiliate marketing business. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, please subscribe to my channel as well as hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. I'll also be providing you with loads of content guys, so you'd like to watch other videos of mine and future videos as well. With that said guys, let's get straight into the video. So yeah, is affiliate marketing actually dead? Okay, this question has two answers. One of them is yes and the other one is no. The reason why I give these two answers is because affiliate marketing is dead to people who are using old ways of promoting their offers. Okay, so it's also very much profitable up to this day, and it will be because people will always buy things. Okay, so as long as people are buying things, then affiliate marketing cannot be dead. I hope you understand that. So what do I mean when I say that affiliate marketing is dead to people who are using old tactics? So what are the old tactics? The old way of doing affiliate marketing is you pick your offer, then you go to your traffic source. Maybe you're paying for advertising from Facebook, from Instagram, wherever you'll be getting your traffic source from. Especially when you do this with solo ads. You've also heard of solo ads and how they're not being profitable. So this is the reason why. You pick your solo ads or your traffic source and you drive that traffic straight to your offer. And you gamble on whether or not people will be buying your products or they won't be buying them. And after that customer is gone, okay? You don't have a second chance at promoting the offer to them. And it is said that it is actually a fact that people do not buy mostly the first time they see something, okay? So they need to be constantly reminded and offered the same offer for them to consider even buying and spending their money on the product. Okay, so you want to position yourself at a place where you can be able to contact these people time and time again. How do you do that? So you want to capture the person's email address, okay, maybe their Facebook Messenger. You want to just get some kind of details on how you can be able to contact them. Email and messenger are some of the best ways you can do that. So once the person gives you their email, now you can direct them to the offer. But also you don't want to just link them to the offer after they have offered you their email address. Why don't you want to do that? Because nowadays everybody and their uncle is doing landing pages, okay? What you want to do is you want to stand out. You don't want to be just another marketer like the rest of them. So how do you do this? Once you've given them access, once they have given you their email address, okay, now you direct them to a thank you page. On this thank you page, you want to build your brand with them, okay? You want to establish some kind of rapport. You want them to know you, want them to like you, and you want them to trust you, okay? Think of it this way. When you get into your email inbox, you're offered, you sent emails by numerous marketers, okay? But who are the marketers you pay close attention to? The people who you know, you like, and you trust, okay? So when you get an email from some kind of James or Thomas that you don't even know, you're not likely to open the email. You don't want to be associated with the guy. Maybe the guy is a good guy, he's a good marketer, he's providing value, but you don't know them. They have not built their brand, okay? They have not established that kind of rapport with you. So it works the same way. Now you flip it the other way. Now you're the affiliate marketer and you want to target your customer. So what do? Once they have given you their email, talk to them. Give them a short explanation of your story. Give them a backstory. Maybe you've been doing affiliate marketing for 5 years. Just tell them that. Maybe you've been doing it for 2 months. Tell them exactly that, okay? Explain to them what they be expecting from you. You can tell them I'll be sending you regular emails, okay? Offering you valuable content as well as giving you recommendations I feel will be helpful to your business. I hope you understand that guys. So just keep it simple, establish your that relationship with your customer, okay? Let them know you, let them like you, and let them trust you. That's how people will buy products you recommend. Okay. Apart from that, now after you've built that kind of relationship, it's when you want to give them your offer. You can decide to present them with your offer right away. Other people can also decide to do it otherwise. Instead of just giving them their offer there and then, they look to play the long-term game. Okay, how do they do this? They keep on offering the prospect with value. You add value onto their lives. Once you get to establish, okay, they by adding value into their lives, they establish you as an expert. Okay, the more value you give them, the more they get to like you more and more. Okay, so by doing this, you put yourself in a position whereby the people really like you, and they are asking to buy things from you. So after your value emails, your value messages, or whatever you'll be sending, then you present them with your offer. It might be your product, maybe someone else's product, but you will see a rise in the number of people who are buying your products. Okay, so with that said, guys, that will be about it for this video. I will also be linking down below to a video showing you the opt-in page. Okay, one of the opt-in pages I've been using. I'll also show you a thank you page that I've used before. Okay, not the best, but something you can use to help you get yourself going. Okay, so that's it, guys. That will be it for this video, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.